Hi, Roslyn Hill here. This is one of my information videos. A bit more about myself and what I'm doing to make my videos, so hopefully you can enjoy this one too. Due to our nomadic lifestyle, it's quite difficult finding places to record. This is our Airstream caravan. I had to set up our studio in there. This is our bus. Phil renovated this and made it into a place to live, but I had to make my studio in here too. And now, finding a place to record on board a boat is quite difficult, which is where we are now. You can see this is a pillow and the wall inside the boat.
Roslyn Hill here. I'm about to do my latest video, which is a test video. And here we are. We have slip knot ready to start. Here we go. And I can show you how to do a chain, and then we can do some flowers. Just measure and pull through on the hook. Go back along that chain and do some slip stitches, and then we'll have a look and see how that worked.
Okay, so I have one or two issues regarding the uploading of the videos, but hopefully I'll be back with a tutorial soon. So bye for now. Do leave a comment or visit our group page on Facebook. See you soon. Bye.